violet na yung kamay ko kasi naipit kanina. Is it not visible? Ayan, 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 ayan. Ayan.
Ginagawa mo.
Hi guys! Nandito ngayon kami sa classroom ng nanay ko. So yung tinuturuan niya and yung advisory niya is grade 10. And she is teaching the English subject. So obviously, opening na ng classes bukas. That's my sister. And July 29 yung opening ng DepEd. So, tapos na kaming magbrigada after how many days. Ayan, nag-repaint na din kami.
We have classes tomorrow, guys.
Yes,
Hindi
nag-repaint.
pa po ako ready.
Tapos yung mga modules dyan, inayos ko na rin. Galing pa yung ano guys, pandemic. Nung 2020 hanggang 2022 na mga modules. So, in-arrange ko from quarter 1 to quarter 4 na may module 1 to module 4.
Guys, proof of my hard work.
Yeah.
Proof of my hard work.
Ayan guys, nag-repaint kami. So, last time, yung mga colors ng ng chairs and yung wall, pati yung wall, violet yan. Pati yung blackboard, last time, color violet din yan kasi it's also my mom's favorite color, the same with me. And also pink yung sa akin. Yan. So, ngayon, color back to its original color, which is color green.
My favorite color.
Yeah. That's my
I
sister's
win.
favorite color.
I
Oh,
win.
and that's my brother over there. Wait, wait. There.
We're
So,
going to grab
ayan.
dinner and we're going to go home now because we're all very tired and stressed.
We
from
all
the whole
are.
day
Yeah.
Working. And earlier, there were a lot of students here, so it was kind of chaotic. But now it's just us. But still, it was really tiring. So,
It's getting dark.
yeah,
Yes.
it's around 6 p.m. and I think it's
Yeah.
really time to stop. Okay guys, I'm here vlogging at the stairs because just for no reason. Okay, I'm going to be in the 10th grade and my mother is going to be my English teacher this school year and I'm not that very excited. A part of me is also nervous because of course she's my mom.
Yeah.
What
hi,
if she
guys.
takes it too personal and like scolds me every time?
So, dito din ako nag-grade 9. Don't show my whole face. I'm tired and sabog. Dito din ako nag-grade 9 hanggang grade 12. So, basically, transfer student ako kasi nung grade 7 to 8, ibang school yung pinasukan ko sa high school. So, nung grade 9, kasi pabida-bida ako, nag-RCY president agad ako. And then grade 10, naging English club president. Nung grade 11, bumalik ako sa RCY as president. And then, for 12th grade, SSG president. Ito nga dati yung namin, yung office. So guys, ito yung namin, yung SSG office. Dati.
Hi guys, so it's getting dark and this is our pavilion. Wow. And this is our hall. And this is me. Okay guys, I can't believe I'm being so old right now. Because, can you believe it? I'm in grade 10. And we are going to be in the star section, which is going to have a little bit of more stressful competition, I guess, just to see who's best. Let's see how it's done. Let's see how it works. We never know. But yeah, I'm planning to be in the English club. I'm planning to be the president of that club because I have so much more vision for the activities of the English club. So I hope I win the election.
That's our mom.
Tumalon, sumayaw, pumadyak, sumigaw, gumalaw, Pilipinas.
Ayan, ready na rin yung stage nila. So yan guys, yan yung SSG office, yung white door namin dati. Hanggang ngayon, dyan pa rin naman yung yung SSG office. And then, dun sa second floor, yung sa gitna, dun ako yun yung classroom ko ng grade 9. And then, ng grade 10 ako dito ulit sa ibaba, sa center ulit. Tapos, dito yung canteen namin. And then, nakikita nyo ba yan yung ICT laboratory building. Nagpa-practice last time for hip-hop competition. Kasi malaki yung room na yan. So, kasya kami and bigger movements, ganun. So, ganyang room yung ginamit namin dati. So, may Boy Scouts din dito, getting ready for tomorrow's flag ceremony. Andyan sila. Charan! So, dati guys, punong-puno to ng ng mangga. Ngayon, isang mangga na lang.
Global warming.
Guys, dito ako nag-senior high, grade 11 and grade 12. Diyan naman yung office. Siyempre, hindi ko na kayo matutour. Maitutour. Nung matutour. Hindi ko na kayo dyan maitutour kasi it's closed. Kasi it's Sunday. Bago rin yung gate nila. Simeon J. Abasa National High School. Ayan, tapos kalsada na.
It's 6:05 guys and we're traveling. We're going home. And fun fact, for your information, our house is really near to our school. It's like a 10-minute walk, 7 to 10 minutes.
Hi guys, andito na siya.
Watch me being unbothered.
Watch me, Nay. Nay. So, hindi na siya namin sinama kanina sa school kasi she's not feeling well. Hindi marinig yung boses niya. Go.
Hi guys.
My reward after hard work.
Jalmok tisumnita. Siyempre, yung cute na size. Sa akin yan. Sa kanila, medium. ASMR. ASMR. Part 3.
내게로 와서 melt my heart 봄의 향기나는 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼 Don't know what to say You are just like one spring day 설레임을 주는 걸